Dear students, today we will start lesson 4 from our Honeydew book, that is Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. It is written by Satyajit Ray. Now we will read about Satyajit Ray also, okay? About the author. Satyajit Ray, he was born on 2nd May 1921 at Calcutta, now Kolkata in India. Education from Vishwa Bharati University at West Bengal, India. Occupation: film director, writer, illustrator. Awards: honorary doctorate by Oxford University. This is about Satyajit Ray. At the beginning of the lesson, it is told that every Monday Bipin Babu used to stop on a bookshop. He used to buy some books as crime stories, ghost stories and thrillers. One day he met a Parimal Ghosh, but he did not recognize him. Parimal Ghosh has already identified him and also narrate Ranchi incident. He told about everything, bungalow, Dinesh Mukherjee and pain in his knee. But listening whole story, he refused to accept these things. But Parimal Ghosh again told him about his personal things such as family, including wife, kids and death of his brother. After meeting with Parimal Ghosh, Bipin Babu began to ponder about the incident of Ranchi. He was thinking why he was not able to recall the incident, whether it was untrue or he was losing his memory. He also thought about the man who knew everything about him. So for confirmation, he saw his right knee. Then he thought about Dinesh Mukherjee. He also thought to ring up him. At last he talked to him. He also confirms the incident of Ranchi. After office work, Vipin Babu returned home. He laid down on the bed and again began to think about that incident. Now, character sketch. What is character sketch? Character sketch tells about the character of the person. Bipin Chaudhary. Who was Bipin Chaudhary? Bipin Chaudhary is an old man who had no children. He was living a lonely life after his wife's demise means death. He was working in reputed firm at responsible post and have few friends. Personality: he had keen interest in reading books. This is shown in starting of story. He stopped his car every Monday in New Market to buy books. He never wanted to waste his time in idle chatting. Okay, this is the character sketch of Bipin Chaudhary. Now, character sketch of Parimal Ghosh. Who was Parimal Ghosh? Okay. He is round-faced, meek-looking man who interviewed Bipin Chaudhary in bookshop. He tried to make believe Bipin Babu that he had gone to Ranchi. He also provided many evidence that make Bipin rely on his statements. Okay, this is the character sketch of Parimal Ghosh. Now, Chunni Lal. He is school friend of Bipin Chaudhary. He previously worked in travel agency but now in search of job. He kept visiting Bipin's house about the job, but Bipin always disregards him. Okay, this is the character sketch of Chunni Lal. Bipin Babu had also not helped him financially at time of need, so he tried to took revenge by frustrating Bipin's mind through his imaginative. Now, next is Dr. Paresh Chandra. He is a young physician with pair of bright eyes and a sharp nose. He is called by Bipin Chaudhary to treat memory loss problem. Okay, Dr. Paresh Chandra. So, these are the character of this book or this chapter. Introduction. Now we will do introduction. In the story Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory, the protagonist Bipin Babu goes nearly crazy because he cannot recollect his stay at Ranchi. Although there are many witnesses to support the fact, he insists that he has never been to Ranchi. It is a humorous story about how Chunnilal teaches his friend Bipin Chaudhary a lesson. As mentioned in the letter that he wrote to Bipin Chaudhary, Chunnilal explained that even though he didn't have any resources, all he was left with was his imagination. So this was the short summary. This imagination helped him write a book which a publisher had been reviewing. So far the publisher seemed positive about Chunnilal's book and he accepted it to get published. This would help Chunnilal overcome his financial crisis he was facing. All he wanted to do was teach Bipin Chaudhary a lesson. Since Bipin was better off than Chunnilal, he was expected to help his friend, but he had forgotten the true meaning of friendship. Thus, the so-called lapse in memory was to teach Bipin Chaudhary a much needed lesson. Okay. Class, this was the short summary, character sketches and short introduction of this chapter. Now part 1, 2, 3 we will do tomorrow, day after tomorrow. We will start main chapter from tomorrow.